Kirori College, located in Delhi, has received an overall rating of 4.3 from students on Shiksha.com. How are the BSc courses offered here? Let's find out, starting with the placements, which are rated 3.5 stars. According to the NIRF 2024, 1,714 students graduated from the 3-year UG program in 2022-23. With 21% securing placements, majority of the students, around 60%, opted for higher studies, an increase over the last 3 years. The highest salary offered in 2024-25 academic session was 23 lakh per annum, while median salary stood at 7.2 lakh per annum. Compared to other DU colleges like Hansraj College, the median salary offered at Kirori College is on par. Students share that placement opportunities for BSc graduates are very limited, though some secured roles in Amazon, Flipkart, Infosys, TCS and IBM. Most students, however, opted for higher studies. As per student reviews, internship opportunities were limited, though some secured paid and unpaid roles. Shifting focus to academics, with the BSc course at KMC rated 4.2 offers both BSc program and BSc honours specializations, including botany and statistics. An admission requires at least 45% in class 12, with accepted entrance exams being CUET. Looking at the recent CUET cutoffs, competition for BSc is the toughest for botany compared to other branches. Talking about the cost, the total program fee for 3 years is around 50,000 rupees. And hostel fees amounts to about 1.58 lakhs. Next, let's take a look at the infrastructure rated 4 stars. KMC's campus, spread across an area of 15 acres, is Wi-Fi enabled and features ICT classrooms, seminar rooms, a library, IT lab, and modern labs like chemistry, microprocessor, and microcontroller. There are hostel facilities for boys, with plans for a girls' hostel coming up. The mess food is good and the canteen offers affordable, high-quality meals. The college also has sports facilities for badminton, football, volleyball, table tennis and more. Now, regarding the faculty and course, rated 4.3 stars. Students appreciate the teaching quality and supportiveness. A minimum attendance of 67% is required to sit for exams and the passing percentage is 63%. The college has collaborated with institutions like St. Xavier's Mumbai, Saksham, Shri Ram Institute of Industrial Research, Huddersfield. Switching gears to the 4.5-star rated Campus Life. KMC's Campus Life includes cultural societies, student empowerment clubs, and a range of events like the annual cultural fest, that is Renaissance. The campus also hosts seminars, workshops, and conferences. Lastly, Kirori College holds the 9th rank in the NIRF 2024 college category. For more details on Kirori College, located in Delhi, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.